Hey there, today I have another Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service and I've been doing Stitchfix for I think about 3 years and I do really like it. I actually do a lot of these styling services and for me Stitchfix is my favorite and it's also the biggest. But I'll put some information about how Stitchfix works in the description box below. I'll also put my friend Leslie's referral link actually because I've hit the limit for this year. So her link is good for a $50 credit if you sign up for the first time, and she also gets a $50 credit. And she texted me, she wanted me to thank those of you who signed up last month using her referral link. So I'm gonna put that somewhere on the screen because I don't have the text with me. But yeah, thank you so much for using my friend's link so she can enjoy Stitchfix, because I was the one actually that introduced her to Stitchfix. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what we got this month. Okay, so this month my fix was actually a little delayed. It was supposed to be arriving last weekend, but it was delayed for almost a week. So I actually got it Friday, and today's Sunday, and I'm filming it today because yesterday I was spending the whole day cleaning. It was a lot. But anyway, I did reach out to Stitchfix to ask about the delay, but they basically said there was a quality issue that they caught in the warehouse, so that's why there was a delay. Okay, so here is my big bundle. It's kind of puffy. So yeah, so it looks pretty good, right? Oh, actually, here's another peek at my bundle. I showed the wrong side. Okay, so with Stitchfix, you always get a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. And you also get some style cards that show you how to style the items, which I actually find pretty helpful. Because I have a hard time sometimes, you know, like figuring out what to pair with what, especially adding like a jacket or a third piece. Lately, I've been having a lot of trouble. I mean, I always like end up having like a pile of jackets, unfortunately, in the morning. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing some research on that and maybe coming up with a video later. How to pair things. But anyway, you also get a note from your stylist, and yay, as always, my stylist is Holly. I'm so thankful that I always get Holly. I mean, because I've heard that like sometimes people get different stylists all the time, or their stylist leaves. I mean, that happens, right? I mean, I've left jobs before. So phew, she's been my stylist for over 3 years, so I'm really lucky. But I'm gonna go ahead and read my note. And what I'll do is I'll scan it and put it up above so you can read it too if you want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and read it now. Okay, so it sounds like it's gonna be a good fix. I had requested more business casual things because I did switch jobs. I went back to my old job. I actually do consulting. I'm an accountant, but I do consulting. And the environment is more business casual. I mean, you can still wear jeans, but it would be more like dark wash jeans. Yeah, so it's not as like anything goes as my previous job. That's one sad thing because I did enjoy being able to just wear whatever I wanted, almost. Yeah, but okay, so let's go ahead and see what she sent me. Okay, so the first item in my box is a blouse. And this is just like a very basic looking blouse. It's a very pretty color. It's a very dark burgundy color, I think. Okay, and it's by Fortune and Ivy. It's a size medium, and this is the Christelle 2-pocket blouse in the color burgundy, and it is $38. Okay, so that's not a bad price. It's just a very kind of a basic top, and it has tab sleeves. Why does everything have tab sleeves? I'm not sure if you can just unroll it though. Yeah, so okay, not bad. It's cute. Looks very business casual. Okay, and next I got this top. And this is by West K, and this is the Cebo Flutter sleeve chiffon blouse in the color mustard, and this is kind of a dark mustard, size medium, and it's $44. So yeah, this is very pretty. I like that it's lined, so it's got, you don't have to wear something under it, and it has these, I don't know how I feel about these sleeves though. They're pretty wide, but you never know until you try things on, so we'll see. Okay, and next, I got this dress. And this is by the brand KAILEIGH, which I have actually quite a few KAILEIGH dresses and I do really like them. They're usually a comfortable knit material. This one's different though, it's a shirt dress. So this one is the Faith tie waist knit dress in dark green, size medium, and it's $54. So yeah, this is a very pretty color. I actually really do like this green. It's kind of a different style for me because I thought it's a oh no, it's not really a shirt dress. It's the buttons go down to the waist, and then it has like a tie belt. So yeah, this is different. We'll see how it looks. And it looks like, oh yeah, it's a 3/4 sleeve. So I kind of like this kind of sleeve because you can still wear like a cardigan over it. Like I prefer this type of sleeve than to something like even what I'm wearing with the tab sleeves, just because it's easier to wear a cardigan over it. Okay, next, I got these jeans. Yeah, and I had asked her for a pair of mauve jeans because I got these mauve shorts and I really do like them, but she said she couldn't get any mauve jeans, and I also needed jeans that don't have any like fading, so more for business casual. Anyway, these are for Studio Blue, and this is the Kenova skinny clean jean in a size 6, and it's $58. It says it's a Stitchfix exclusive. So I haven't heard of this brand, Studio Blue. I wonder if anyone's heard of it or if this is a Stitchfix brand. I'm not sure. But oh, these are really stretchy. These are kind of a nice thicker weight denim, and yeah, they don't have any distressing. They do have some whiskering here. But yeah, they're very clean. That's what they are. Okay, so we'll see. And see how they, I don't think these are petite, so hopefully they won't be too long. But yeah, nice. Okay, and lastly, I have this blazer. Okay, and this is by Lemon Tart, and this is the Astrid knit tunic blazer in burgundy, size medium, and it's $88. So this is just a knit material. It looks nice, kind of a heavier knit. And I've actually been asking for the, you know, that French mauve Melanie knit tunic blazer. This looks almost exactly like it, so we'll see. Yeah, because I've had this on my Pinterest board for a while, and I asked for it in the last couple of fixes, but I know she said they didn't have it. So this looks almost, it's like a doppelganger, so we'll see how it looks. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix box this month. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I have the first top and the jeans on. And yeah, I think this is a very nice blouse. It's just very basic. It does have tab sleeves, but yeah, I don't know, but it is cute, and I thought it might be a little sheer, but it's actually okay because I don't have like a camisole under it. I don't think it's see-through, and it is just a nice color, and yeah, just kind of reminds me like of the kind of shirts they have at Express. And then these jeans surprised me. They're so comfortable because they're on the thicker side, but they're really, really stretchy. So I thought they would be more like, I don't know, not as comfortable, but yeah. They were a little long, so I did cuff them. But overall, I kind of like these jeans. I was surprised because it's a brand that I think it was called Studio Blue. And yeah, I don't think I've heard of that brand. So let me know if any of you have, and if it's like a Stitch Fix brand. But yeah, I think that looks good. And I just followed the style card. So, you know, for this this blouse, she had it with some jeans, and she had it with some black shoes. I have these black mules, and I got these from the Nordstrom rack. And I think one of you said, can you add like purses and stuff? So I'll try. I usually forget. But this is like a Kate Spade bag that I bought last year. It was such a good deal, but I still haven't used it. But anyway, so yeah, here we are. We're just adding a bag, and this is like a nice, kind of like a camel color. I think you're not supposed to match shoes to your bags anymore. I'm pretty sure. So mix it up. But yeah, I like, these are both winners, I think. So we'll see. Okay, so here is the West K blouse. And yeah, I think this is really cute. I just have it front tucked. I think if it's out, it looks, I don't know if it looks kind of overwhelming, but it looks okay if it's front tucked. Yeah, I think it looks better front tucked. So it is actually really nice. It's kind of very feminine, you know, with these sleeves. I wasn't sure about them, but actually I think they look pretty nice. And it has a very nice print. These are like Stella and Dot necklaces. This is like a choker, and I just added in this, is it uneven? This longer one. So yeah, I think that looks actually pretty cute. And I paired it with, according to Style Card, some black jeans. And these are actually cigarette style jeans, so they're not really skinny jeans, but they're cigarette, whatever that means. And I got these from Uniqlo, and the shoes are from Dansko. So yeah, I think actually this is a pretty nice look. I like this top, so we'll see. Okay, so here's the KAILEIGH dress. Kaya's in the background. I don't know if you can see her. And yeah, I really like this dress. I think it's just an easy to wear dress. Kind of looks school t-shirt-ish a little, but I like it. It's comfortable. It's very appropriate for working in a business environment. I just paired it with some kind of a neutral shoe. These are from Bionic. I just got them from, where did I get them? Zappos. So I haven't actually worn them outside of the house yet, so I'm still debating. I think they're really comfortable. They have a lot of arch support. And I do have tendonitis, and I think I'm getting plantar too, so I have to be careful about what kind of shoes I wear. So these, I think, are good. She has it with a trench coat that's kind of like a camel-ish color. So I don't have a trench coat. I was thinking I could wear it with this kind of a gold-colored sweater. Okay, and here it is with this sweater. This is a cardigan I picked up actually from Target. And I did a haul, so I'll put a card up to that haul. And yeah, I haven't actually worn this out of the house either. But I think it's cute, I just haven't gotten a chance. And these kind of longer sweaters, I kind of like to wear with dresses, because it almost hits to the same, it's almost the same as the hemline, so I think that looks okay. But yeah, I kind of like it. I'm in trouble. Okay, so lastly I have the knit blazer. And this is the one by Lemon Tart, but it's very similar to the one by the French Mauve. That is very popular. But I guess that one you can't get. I mean, it looks very similar, but this is a size medium, and I'm pretty sure it's too big. You can kind of tell looking at the shoulders, yeah. But I mean, oops, it is a nice style, but it's a medium regular. I probably would take either a medium petite, or possibly I could fit a small. But yeah, it's $88, so it's not, you know, it's not cheap. It's kind of on the pricey side, so I think I would have to get like something that fit perfect if I were to keep it. But I do love the color. It is gorgeous. And according to the Style Card, I just have it paired with, these are the same jeans from Studio Blue. And I just have some gray flats, and these are from Bionic. And I have these are really awesome. If you have trouble with your feet, I have them in like this color, also like a light pink color, and I just recently bought the black, so I wear them a lot. But anyway, yeah, I do really like the style and everything, and it's such a comfortable idea, but I think for me this is probably a no just because of the size. Okay, so not a bad fix. I think Holly did a great job as usual, and you notice like the colors are all very fall, still light enough so that I could wear in Hawaii. So it's like fall in Hawaii, or actually it's winter now. It's different than, you know, on the mainland. So I can't really wear all the heavy stuff, like all the heavy sweaters and stuff, but I can still like change the type of colors that we wear. But anyway, let's go ahead and go over the invoice. Okay, so this was fix number 34 for me, and the total for the entire box was $282, less the buy all 5 discount 25% off $70.50, which would bring my order subtotal to $211.50. And you know, that comes out to about, on average, a little over $40 per item. So that's not bad. I think, you know, like if you can do a 5 for 5, and initially I was thinking I would, then that is the way to go, because you do save quite a bit. I'm not sure if I will though, just because I wasn't sure about the sizing, yeah, for everything. Okay, but overall I thought this was a really good fix. I mean, all the pieces were really nice, you know? Like, I thought this dress, I actually really liked it. It's comfortable, it's different, it's easy to wear. This is just the kind of dress you just can throw on and go. And these jeans, I mean, even though I've never heard of this brand, Studio Blue, I really like them. I mean, they're like a nice weight denim, but they're super stretchy, you know? So they're kind of different actually. So I'm definitely thinking about keeping these, although I'm just a little worried about maybe them being a little too stretchy, you know, because sometimes you have these jeans that are perfect and they fit so nicely in the beginning of, you know, or in the morning, and then maybe before lunch they're just kind of sagging because they're so stretchy. But we'll see. I'm thinking about these, and $58 for a pair of jeans is actually a pretty good price. Okay, and this top, you know, I thought this was a very nice basic. It's a very pretty color, and I think it would be cute to wear with jeans, or also you could wear it maybe with a skirt, and I think it would be cute. This West K blouse, I kind of liked it more than I thought I would, although I do think it is a little on the big size. I mean, I don't know if this is something I would probably want to, if I were to keep it, try to size down to a small. And this tunic blazer from Lemon Tart, I mean, it's not the French mauve one, and I don't know how that one actually looks and what the material's like. See, this one, there's a little bit of texture to it. It's almost like a crepe looking knit. So, I mean, it is really nice, but this is definitely too big for me. But, you know, with Stitchfix, you can exchange for a different size. So I might check to see if they do have a smaller size. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. Again, it was a very good fix. I'm not sure what I'll be keeping just yet. If everything worked out, I could do a 5 for 5, that'd be great. But if it's not a 5 for 5, then I kind of have to figure out what I'm gonna keep. You know, what do I really, really love? So I really did like these jeans. I kind of want to try them, but I'm just a little worried about if they're gonna stretch out too much. And I really did like this dress, but I don't know. I have so many dresses and so many floral dresses. Do I need another one? I don't know, but it's just very different. Okay, so, but that's all I have for today, and now I'm going to have one of my 2 furry sleeping companions to help me say goodbye. Who wants to say goodbye? Sammy? Come, Sammy. Sammy is actually, believe it or not, a lap dog. When you sit in the living room, there's like a black couch. If you sit on that black couch, she'll immediately jump up and sit in your lap, which is kind of amazing actually. She's a lap dog. Come on lap dog. Come on lap dog Sammy. Okay, wow. Oosh. And here is Sammy. Sammy the lap dog. And you'll see that she did get groomed. Was it last week or the week before? She is, she's not as crazy looking as she was. So, but anyway, yeah, so we did take the 2 dogs to Petco. I think it was a couple weeks ago, so they got a nice grooming. And she looks really good now. Yes, Sammy? Yes. And her fur feels so much softer, I think, once they groom it for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.